Yeah. I wonder if we can pull you back and I'll load him up, and then you can go all the way forward.
Okay. That was close. We are on the maiden voyage of Albert's new boat.
Hey, we got a new boat. We'll see how it runs. Everything looks good so far. Let's go.
Leave it in the comments below what Joe's boat should be named. Yeah, he got himself a 18-foot Klamath, and today we will be ball bouncing for big winter halibut. We'll go over the rigs, hopefully we catch some. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Might get a little windy, but it's gonna be fun. All right, so we are bouncing, almost. Can't feel the bottom yet. That is as slow as it goes, huh? So Albert's boat, the engine is a 55 horse, but even then, our idle speed is like 3 miles an hour or so. So to get a good speed, we'd probably best troll buckets, but we don't have those. Buckets with holes cut into it, so it really slows down our speed. So what Albert's planning on doing is just kicking it in and out of gear until we find a solution. He does plan on making some upgrades to it. He plans on getting a kicker motor, and then when salmon season comes around, he's probably going to get some electric downriggers for this thing.
Try the bucket. I mean, maybe that's the only thing we can do to try to slow us down. Inside the blue bag, there's going to be rope. You can find it in there.
I got the rope. All right, so what I'm trying to do is make a makeshift drift sock. I just use the lighter to burn a hole, poke it through, or melt the plastic, poke it through. I'm gonna do that a few times. We have flame. Just trying to melt that plastic. Things you do. We didn't think of the worst case scenario, like if we drift too fast. Oh, nice. Go ahead, handle it. First fish on your boat, Albert. Are you gonna try to? Should I pump it or gas?
Maybe. Well, just a little bit. And then take it off.
Okay. Yeah, it's a halibut. Easy, easy. Lift a little bit. Oh. Got him. That's a nice one. Woo! That's a nice one.
Yes! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Look at that halibut.
Oh my goodness.
Here, hold it up. Woo!
Oh my gosh, that's
First fish on the boat. Nice one, Albert.
Woo! There you go, brother. Zone.
Solid fish. All I need was a broken garbage can that was in Albert's backpack. a knife, a lighter, and some paracord, and we have ourselves a drift sock. Small drift sock, but this isn't a big boat either. It's actually making about a 1/3 to half a mile difference, literally, on this little trash can right there. Not gonna lie, it was Albert's idea to sacrifice that little trash can, but it's definitely working. And it seems like the motor's running a little bit smoother now that it's all warmed up. First fish on the boat, huh?
Yeah, boy. There it is. Woo! Thank you, Ed. Couldn't have done without you.
It was good teamwork. We were able to orient the boat the right way, and then Albert brought that fish up slowly, never brought the head out of the water. We got to watch it slowly come up and then wait for that perfect gaff shot to reveal itself, and it did. Got it right behind that pectoral fin, just where you want it, right through the belly. Mwah! Let's get another one. We got both rods set up. One right there, one right there. This boat came with this really cool console, and it's super solid. We are calling it on the bounce balling, or the ball bouncing, and we're gonna get some rockfish. We brought all of our hookup baits, so that's what we're gonna do. It's been too challenging trying to get the speed right and get our bounce going, so we're gonna make some buckets and get our drift better, or our speed better next time. Oh, it's gorgeous out here. This is like Albert and my favorite thing to do right now. Especially since winter is coming. Well, I mean, the season is coming to an end in terms of rockfish, and it's really uncertain what's going to happen next year in terms of what you're allowed to fish and what you're not allowed to fish. So we're definitely going to take advantage of this. But this spot looks like it's loaded. The second fish on your boat. I heard the drag peel. Dang! Albert got the first and second fish on his boat.
Nice one, dude.
Yeah, nice little gopher.
Nice little gopher.
See, I don't know about this color. Why do I have it on?
I got browns. You want a brown?
Oh no, I have that brown, and then I have the red crab too. Last time the mint did good for me, but I just didn't have any left. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a really nice fish. I might need a gaff. Maybe. That's a nice fish. Whatever it is, it's nice. That's a nice fish. What are you, bud? What are you? Got a nice head shake on her. What are you? No runs, but it's like dead weight, but I felt the big, oh!
To the back.
It's a big ling. It's a big ling.
Okay, stay back. Slowly, and then you're gonna just step back. Front.
Now it is. Here it comes. Nice. Nice ling. That's a good ling right there.
So on the brownie.
Yep. Solid lingcod.
That's what you needed on the brownie.
I needed that. Phew. Look at that beast. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Which is weird that he's in 100 feet of water. I would have thought they'd be shallower. At least we know they're on the chew. The lingcod we got was really close to the kelp last time. Oh, 70 feet of water. Oh! Yeah, right on the drop. That was sick. That was so sick. You marking that? This is a good fish. Oh, that's a red, finally! Finally! That's a nice red on the brown hookup bait. Oh, woo-hoo. That is a good one. Oh, oh, big old red, big old red. That's what we want. Ah, on the drop. Ate it. Must have been falling fast. Oh, I love this stuff. Thanks, Albert. The drift is nice too now. I like felt that tick, like when he grabbed it. I felt it. I'm like, oh, I got a fish on. I mean, we got a great bag going. We got a red, halibut, nice ling, a few gopher. Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Not too bad. Just don't think of what Daniel got. Our buddy Daniel's out here and he has 7 halibut right now.
He's trying to go for the 10.
Yeah, there's 2 people on his boat. And here in our area, you can keep 5 per person. We're gonna try on that point, that rock point. First halibut, first lingcod, first red on the boat. Pretty successful.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, there you go. Ah! Yep, got him. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. That's a good fish. Oh shoot, it's a big fish. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 look at that thing. Look at that thing.
What?
Look at that thing.
Oh, shoot. Hold on.
Look at that thing. Yep, yep. It's a nice ling. I think it's the best one of the year. Yeah! Beautiful! Beautiful fish! Look at that thing! They are not too shallow today. Wow, it's like golden.
Yeah, that's a color, huh?
That is like a golden ling. Look at this thing.
Wow.
Jeez.
That's nice.
Woo. Nice one. Fish? Yes. Yes.
Oh, finally got one.
On the swim bait?
Yeah.
Shoo! That's gonna be a good one. Gaffable?
I don't know. Maybe. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not that big, but probably a keeper. It's right there.
Bring him up.
Oh, here he goes. Same color as the other one, huh? Is your other one? Almost,
Yeah.
huh? I'll take care of that.
You want to make this the last drift?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we should, man. Got one more drift.
Okay.
Then we got it.
This is it. Single hookup bait.
Yeah.
Why?
Just try it. It's a little bit heavier one.
The 3 ounce?
I think it might be the 3 ounce, yeah. So, 3 ounce and oh, like it is. Good size thing.
Ooh, look at those marks. There's a fish. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish.
Oh, that's a nice mark.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Good.
That is a nice fish. Oh yeah. You're on too?
Yeah, got on.
Double up on big ends. Is that what we're doing right now?
I think so.
Oh, that's a big ling.
Is it?
Yeah. Gonna have to gaff my own.
Can you do it? You want me to help you?
I got it.
Huh? You got it. You got it.
Oh,
You got him, bro. Look at that. Good gap.
yeah.
Oh, he just got away. What? He just got loose. Oh well.
Tank.
That was cool.
Tank. Woo!
Alright, well that's a good way to end the day.
Yeah, bud. Woo! Solid ling. It is official. Albert's boat is fishy.
Yep. Yeah, we got one butt, 4 lings, some rockfish. What a healthy sack, man. I'll tell you. That was good. That was fun.
How about healthy sack for a boat name? the healthy sack.
Healthy sack. There you go. That's a good name.
Yeah.
Too. That's a good one.
But mission accomplished. Actually, our buddy who is out here too got a good amount of halibut. But that's the thing that we're gonna focus on next is create our own homemade drift socks with 2 buckets, just like we do out when we troll on Bob's boat at Kachuma Lake. We're gonna drill out a bunch of 1-inch holes into 5-gallon buckets and run them behind the boat. That'll slow us down significantly because we were in the high 2s, right?
Yeah.
High 2s, maybe 3.
Yeah, that was about the high mid. Yeah, we were closer to 3, and it just couldn't get that bounce ball to do its thing. So we just had to call it quits. I think if we would have kept messing with the throttle and slowing it down, and then coming to like an idle and then progressing again, we would have probably got another one. But that just gets tiring after a while. You're just like, man, let's go get what we know we can get. Some lings.
Yeah, and plus the halibut season into the winter is open all year long basically.
Oh, that's right.
And the lingcod is not, so we definitely capitalized. We caught some really nice lingcod today. Woo! It was amazing. That was a ton of fun.
Different on the color though. Did you see that color? It was different, huh?
Yeah, one of them was super golden.
Yeah, that was different. That was definitely different.
Never seen one like that.
I wonder how it's gonna taste. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yeah, probably similar, but yeah, no, we're happy with how today went. It was definitely a spectacular outing, and man, we just need to come up with a name for the boat, but it's definitely fishy.
So throw some names out there, see what sticks. Maybe one of you guys might be able to come up with the name that we can tag it with.
Yeah,
that'd be cool.
Yep. But cheers to many more adventures on whatever this boat's named. Thank you guys for joining. We'll leave another link where Albert and I just absolutely kill it on a rockfish trip. We call it Jurassic Park. He calls it Jurassic Aquarium because we were just catching big after big after big. Probably the best rock fishing video on YouTube. I'll leave it right here. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.